Yeah, what's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is kingsfx trader right here, and I'm very happy, guys, to drop this. Today I just decided to do more strategies, um, in order to help some people who like catching spikes and also scalping, that is taking the small candlesticks. In this video, you will learn how to catch multiple spikes and also how to scalp the little candlesticks, the small candlesticks. That is the ticks going up or down depending on whatever you are trading. So I covered everything in this video with just simple indicator signals. All right, so let's see how it works. Already I have my indicators in place. All you need to do is to follow whatever I'm going to do now, step by step. First of all, you need to we are going to be catching spikes on 5 minutes time frame, and we are going to be scalping on 1 minute time frame. If you want to pick the tips, that is the candles, small candlesticks, we are going to be doing that on 1 minute time frame. But if you want to catch spikes, multiple spikes, okay, we are going to be doing that on 5 minutes time frame. So how does this thing work? Very simple, very simple. First of all, you have to zoom in completely. Okay, once you zoom in completely, you can see I've zoomed out completely, not zoom in. Okay, I've zoomed out completely. So when I zoom out completely, I have my indicators on window 1 down here. So all I need to do is to discover when both of them converge here. So once I discover, I'm not entering any trade. Okay, if they converge between level 80 and 90, I don't have to enter any trade. So the only time I enter a trade is when the red, or sorry, that should be pink, when the black crosses the pink. Okay, if you look at what happened here, let me see, show you. If you look at what happened here, our black lines crosses the pink downward, then that's the position we should enter a sell. So we could have entered the sell when this cross here happened. So okay, after that cross, you enter a sell and you keep holding your trade until this line touches level 50 or crosses level 50 before you take profit. Or you can still leave your trade till it hits level 20 down here. Okay, so this is our take profit 1 TP1. Okay, and this is our TP2. So it's very simple, guys, very simple. Then if you are taking those small ticks, you go down to 1 minute time frame, you also see a cross. Okay, you look for a cross. As you can see, there's a cross now. You can see that. So but you have to zoom in and see the clear cross from here. So for now, we can place a buy on this to take some ticks. So but I'm advising you, instead of buying and selling at the same time, you choose whether to scalp or to catch spikes. Okay, so if you are catching spikes, you go up to 5 minutes time frame and see a cross. When they converge at over both region, which is level 90 and 80, once you see a cross, you enter. So we could have entered around here, and we keep picking these things down. Then after a cross, we enter, and take the trade till this point. That is our take profit 1. Then our take profit 2 should be around here, okay, at level 20. So this is how simple catching multiple spikes are, and also scalping. So I want you to backtest these things. I want you to see how it works. I always tell you guys that they created demo accounts, real accounts, all these things. They have reasons. They want to give us opportunity to test different strategies, to test different ways of trading, okay, to learn also in the process. So you have to check all these things out before you start taking them as your personal strategy. This both demo real account, they are the same thing. Whatever that is happening on demo is happening on real, so you don't have to bother about anything at all. Okay, so and you need to do this maybe 5 to 10 times. Test them 5 to 10 times and see the average wins and the loss. Then you calculate the average and know whether this strategy is a winning strategy or not. I've done my own research and I've done my own calculation. I've seen that this strategy for me, it wins all the time. It wins more than 70% of the time. So this is a good strategy when you use a good um, um, money management. If you use a good risk management, okay, you are going to enjoy this strategy. Okay, you are going to enjoy using this strategy. So now it's not when you test the strategy for the first time and you lose the trade, you will start wondering, is this strategy working? No, you take it the first time, you take it the second time, third time, fourth time, fifth time, then you are calculate your average wins and losses, then know if the strategy is a winning strategy or not. The whole strategy you are using. This is how to test strategy, guys. So in this video, I'm not just teaching you how to catch multiple spikes or how to scalp, but I'm also teaching you how to test strategies. So if not, when you trade one strategy and you make a lot of profits and you say, wow, this strategy is nice, you jump into trading. No, you have to test this strategy, like taking 5 trades, 6 trades, 7 trades, even 10 trades to test a particular strategy before you call it your personal strategy or your trading strategy. Okay, let me show you the setup for this. It's very simple. All you need to do is to go to our indicator, which is this F here. To add, we have our RSI here, and the period is 100. We have apply to close style. You don't even need to put it, just change the color of this to your background color. If you are using a dark color, you change it to black. If you are using white like me, you drop it as white. Then we have levels. We have level 90 and 80, which is overbought region. Level 20 and 10 is oversold region, and our level 50 is our take profit one. Okay, our take profit level. All right, so you know how to add these things. I've already added them. You just click on this plus button and you add everything. So after this, you click on done. The next indicator is moving average. Moving average period of 25. You can see this, screenshot them and use them. Okay, you can screenshot them so that I will not make this video very long. Okay, you can see this. The next moving average, sorry, the next thing is our Ishimoku. You have this, you can screenshot the settings and use them. So this is it. Once the Shomoko crosses the moving average downward, we sell. The same thing when we are buying, the same thing when we are buying, when we are selling and when we are buying. It's very simple, guys. You can catch multiple spikes here and you can also scalp the ticks, guys. So this is how simple this strategy is, and this is a winning strategy, guys. This is a winning strategy. This is a winning strategy. Okay, so you see that it's working. Now we have reached our take profit one. Okay, this is our take profit one right there. You can see we have hit our take profit one. So if you still want to hold the trade, you hold it till this get to this level 20 before. So just know that most time when you are scalping, taking those ticks, you are exposed to risk and spikes. So you must understand this risk before you start scalping boom and crash. I prefer catching spikes. It gives more money and it makes my work more easy, and it reduces emotion when I'm trading. When you are scalping, you're always afraid of spikes. But if you are catching spikes, you will be comfortable, you will lose less and gain more. So what is the best for me? I love what? Catching spikes. All right, so this is it, and this is very simple strategies, guys. If you love this video, please consider subscribing to my channel if you have not. Like this video also, and join the Telegram group. I will leave the link below. Follow me on different social media platforms. The link will be in the description of this video below, and I will see you guys in my next video, guys. Bye for now.